Hey guys, this is Xenomorph Psycho here, and today we are playing White Noise 2. And I have no friends to play this with, so I have to play solo. Oh, I can find games? Let's do this. We're gonna play some White Noise 2 online, and this game is a horror game, so I'm gonna scream, because it's terrifying, and I'm gonna try my best. I always play as Vincent. Okay, we're recording. I don't know. But what on earth is that hairdo? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, that is how do you even do that? Like, how are you? No, I don't want to be Vincent. Always him is what I meant. Let's go old fashioned. But how do you do that? I don't understand. How do you get a hairdo like that? That is so stupid. Who would ever do their hair like that? Like, that is so real. That's really stupid. Not even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. Woo! Alright, I'm late. Sorry, I had to get my computer charger back. I'm plugging the Keurig because my video's more apart right now. This video has to be up. Well, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Alright, how do you... I can barely freaking see. Alright, let's go find some tapes. This game is really dark. Where is it? Stop that ugly creature! Die! Hold on. That is really loud. Sir, that was just really loud. How do I find it? Alright, let's find the tapes so we can get out of here. This is such a dark game. Oh my gosh. Ah! No! Okay, I have to walk him. Good. Are you kidding me? I already died? Is it still recording? I already died? There's a lot more lighter in here because I'm the ghost. Friend? Where are you? Vanish! Disintegrate! We were all killed. That was... Right. I'm the one right there. I'm the raid guy. Ugh. Holy crap. That was fairly fun, but I'm gonna go. Oh gosh, that was actually amazing. Not even gonna lie. That was a good game. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I quit. I didn't want to be in this game. What the fudge? Alright, let's find more games, guys. I want to be the creature. Whatever. Guy's gonna be the creature the whole time. Like, why is this game already dead? Alright, that was a lot of aggression. I want to be killer, but that's not gonna happen. Why is it so dark in this game? Like, oh my gosh. Where are you? I think it's more fun for you guys to watch the games here. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be when my friends start to play, I'm gonna be a killer next time. Ah! Oh my gosh, it scared the flush out of me. Oh my gosh, I am horrible at board games. Oh my gosh, that scared me. This is why I haven't played this game in 3 months. I didn't even know they updated. I really should stop playing. I don't mind. No, I don't mind. No, I don't mind. If I get copyright, I'm gonna cry. Because 2 of my videos are copyrighted. I had to delete them. Stop it, you ugly crank time. There you go, bro. That's cool you do. Not play that Kendrick Lamar song. Oh gosh. I like Kendrick Lamar, I just don't want to get copyrighted. Like, pride. I don't want to get copyrighted. Wait, could I get copyrighted for even saying his name? Please don't sue me. I really like your music, Kendrick. You're not my favorite rapper, Nas is. You are the the biggest douchebag on this planet. You disable our flashlight and then try to capture us? What are you, gay? I don't know. I don't know. That was kind of offensive. But, I'm just gonna say this. I don't care if you're gay. You can be gay. It doesn't bother me. I'm just saying that because why not? If I offended you, I'm sorry. That creature, he touched me in places I didn't need to be touched. He's touching my friend. He's touching everybody. In that stupid sperm sack. Okay, I didn't mean to say that. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. A stupid whatever that is disabling my camera. Why is it? Creatures nearby. Creatures nearby. He will touch me because I don't know. This is weird. I don't know. This video has gone very, very weird. Like the creature just has to touch you and like go like turn you around and see your soul. And I'm sorry about the nutsack thing. Sorry. I don't know why I said that. I'm very sorry for people that are watching this. And if you know me and you see me in public, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, friends and people that watch me, you know me in real life. I'm very sorry. You hear something? That is. You're never gonna get us. I don't know why I went quiet, but I'm sure you're right. Let's go. Them for crazy. I don't really make inappropriate jokes anymore, like sexual. I stopped like 3 months ago and I don't know why I said that one. I'm very sorry again. What was that noise? Oh, my screen shut off. Why I recorded it. While I was editing, while I was watching it. Ah! Go away, go away, go away. Go. No! Save me, save me, save me. I'm a ghost again. And I was scared again. What's up, bro? Hey. Bro, let's go. Bro, let's go. Bro, let's go. Sorry if you can hear my mouth. I'm sorry if you can't really hear me. I'm trying to talk loud because my transformer got quiet. But, let's go. Hiya, because I'm a dinosaur, and I'm playing a video game, which is a horror game, because I'm not lame, can't be tamed. My channel will never be claimed. I don't know. Stop following me. I don't know where to go. Stop it. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. Fine. Ew. This thing. Get rid of it. This is getting aggravating. You just stop. Why is there a rattlesnake in the bush? I'm getting really bored and really aggravated. Really. I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm done. Is this creature brain dead? Is he not able to find us? Like, I get so toxic in video games. I get so angry. Oh, I don't know why. I'm normally not even that angry of a person in real life. I'm a very nice, kind-hearted person. But mine, just when I play video games, they get me so angry. Use this capture already. You're making me eat chocolate. Die. Let the creature find you so I can start, you know what? Alright. 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 We're gonna play one solo game by myself, and then we're done. I'm joking. I can't do it. I'm too scared. Alright. Start the game. Ghost Thunder with your horrible connection. I feel really bad. You must be across the country or something. Is the game gonna start? Please start the game. Thank you. Up to you. Let's go. We have a full lobby for our final game. And let's do this. Let's hope I get jump scared a couple times because there's a couple of jump scares in this video. So let's go. I play this, like, I want to play like multiple games in one. I just want it to be boring and just one game. So let's go. Alright. Why only two? About to get doomed. It's up to you because I'm taking my medicine back. I better not get alone. What's up, fams? That means survive as long as you can. Don't be a trash monster. Stop running! You have one bar and you're able to run. And running will get the creature closer. Why is your thing blue and mine's green? Why am I being so obnoxious? I don't give a crap. Sorry, didn't mean to sneeze, but I don't care. Like this guy, I don't care if he's a professional. Sad face. Like this guy's a broken record. I hate that stupid egg thing. What was that? What is that? Why did that scare me so bad? Ah! Like, what is that? That is amazing. That is not. What is that? Like, oh my, I'm done. I'm done with this game. This is why I don't play it anymore. Like, I'm done. I can't even play it anymore. I'm so bad at it. It's been 3 games. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been Xenomorph Psycho. See ya, psychos. Didn't mean to do that. See ya, psychos.